du lait.
How do you say it?
Les vaches produisent. Say it.
La vache produise.
Non, les vaches.
Les vaches produisent.
Produisent.
Les vaches produisent
Du lait.
du lait. Les vaches produisent du lait.
Produisent du lait.
Les vaches produisent du lait. I nailed that. Cows make milk. No cars. There's literally a sign that has a car X'd out on the highway. Explain. If you're from France and you're watching this video, what does that mean? That's usually where cars are. Expliquez-moi. Is that correct? Expliquez-moi.
Oui. Expliquez-moi.
I'm improving, guys. And girls.
Deutsche, first of all, it's in German. There's a cemetery. I'll get it back.
Fire. And a beautiful home.
Here we are on the western coast of France, at Mont Saint Micheal. We're definitely eating at one of these places. Oui, Hôtel
Cow,
Gabriel,
vache.
il est là. Mais c'est adorable!
We.
It goes all the way to the mountain.
It goes backwards too. That's weird.
Oh, that is weird. Because
Ford-
you probably can't turn around there.
It's driving backwards without a driver. Finally here and excited. We've made it, and sun is going down soon. And I think the only way to get to Mont Saint Micheal, I don't know, the place, the destination, is by bus. And I'm not sure how long that takes or when we'll be able to take a bus. And sunlight is fading fast. And I want to pop up the drone before the sun goes down. But I'm kind of far away from it. But for now, we're gonna get settled into our hotel. And you guys will probably see. Temperature is dropping fast as we speak. But we're warm. $2.14. Oh wow, look at the water. That's awesome.
Oui. Coucou. Oui, tu vas...
Whoa,
Ça va te surprendre.
there's
Ça, c'est
stairs.
ton lit. Ouais. Vas-y. C'est spécial, c'est pour 4 personnes en fait. Bizarrement, je crois qu'il n'y avait pas de trucs.
Wow.
Voilà.
Oh
C'est beau, hein?
no! La maison! It's in the way.
Running in the morning.
This is my bedroom. Whoa, it's a big bed.
I know.
And a TV?
Yeah. Why not? I mean,
Wait, and a pool table?
shut up. Comme si. Là, je crois pas quand même.
Wow, it's nice up here. Wow. Alright, so I got some drone shots before sundown. Exciting. I didn't go over there. I stayed at the canal, but that's still fine. And now I'm gonna go find Deb, my mother. Whoa, damn it. The sun's crazy.
I know, isn't it beautiful?
Yeah.
So this is going to be high tide at 8.
PM?
Yeah.
Let's
Or
see.
no, yeah, 8, you get stuck on there by 8. Bye.